Manage project knowledge. Manage project knowledge is the process of using existing knowledge and creating new knowledge to achieve the project's objectives and contribute to organization's learning. The Manage project knowledge process has primarily two purposes: reusing existing knowledge and creating new knowledge. Knowledge captured in the past is used to improve performance on the current project, and the knowledge created by the current project is made available to future projects. You cannot force people to share everything that they know. Even the best knowledge management tools will not help unless people feel motivated to share the knowledge. Therefore, it is important to create an environment of collaboration and trust so that people feel motivated to share the knowledge with their colleagues. The PMBOK guide identifies the following inputs, tools and techniques and outputs for this process. In the next screen, we will discuss the inputs to this process. All components of the project management plan are inputs to this process. Project documents can also be considered as inputs for this process. Let's take a look at some of these project documents. Lessons Learned Register provides information on effective practices in knowledge management. Project team assignments provide information on the type of competencies and experience available in the project and the knowledge that they may be missing. Resource breakdown structure includes information on the composition of the team and may help to understand what knowledge is available as a group and what knowledge is missing. Stakeholder Register contains details about the identified stakeholders to help understand the knowledge they may have. A deliverable is any unique and verifiable product, result, or capability to perform a service that is required to be produced to complete a process, phase, or project. The enterprise environmental factors and organizational process assets can also influence the process. In the next screen, we will discuss the tools and techniques used in this process. Expert judgments of experts should be considered from individuals or groups with specialized knowledge or training. Knowledge management tools and techniques connect people so they can work together to create new knowledge, share tactic knowledge, and integrate the knowledge of diverse team members. The tools and techniques appropriate in a project depend on the nature of the project, especially the degree of innovation involved, the project complexity, and the level of diversity among team members. Information management tools and techniques are used to create and connect people to information. They are effective for sharing simple, unambiguous, codified, explicit knowledge. For example, Lessons Learned Register entries may be analyzed to identify that can be addressed by changes to project procedures. The interpersonal and team skills are useful tools used in this process. Active listening helps reduce misunderstandings and improves knowledge sharing. Facilitation helps effectively guide a group to a successful decision, solution, or conclusion. Leadership is used to communicate the vision and inspire the project team to focus on the appropriate knowledge and knowledge objectives. Networking allows informal connections and relations among project stakeholders to be established and creates the condition to share tactic and explicit knowledge. Political awareness helps the project manager to plan communications based on the project environment as well as the organization's political environment. Now let's discuss the outputs from this process. The Lessons Learned Register is created as an output of this process early in the project. Therefore, it is used as an input and updated as an output in many processes throughout the project. The persons or teams involved in the work are also involved in capturing the lessons learned. Knowledge can be documented using videos, pictures, audios, or other suitable means to ensure the efficiency of the lessons captured. Any change to the project management plan goes through the organization's change control process via a change request. Any component of the project management plan may be updated as a result of this process. Any organizational process assets can be updated as a result of this process.